Good freaking morning. I have not slept yet. So, I finished making the vlog last night. It was fun to edit, I guess. Yeah. I don't know why, but I really like coming outside early in the morning. It feels nice, it's refreshing, and oh, it just looks nice. It's nice. Newspaper. You know, I was actually planning to go to school today. But, like, as I said before, I haven't slept yet. I was up all night playing games and watching the Ronin Kenshin movies, which I've been meaning to watch for a while now. So, I'm actually still watching one right now. So, I'm gonna get back to that. Because it's damn good. Damn good. So, I was watching a vlog and I realized that me and my friend I showed it to realized that I have zero charisma. Like, man, you see these eyes, I'm dead inside. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to work on that, try to speak better. Because whenever I hear about my voice on audio, it's terrible. It's sounding like my nose is constantly stuffed. Like, I mean, it kind of is now, but that's besides the point. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that eventually. Bet that is you, fam? Yeah. I'm gonna get back to this. Alright, so I just finished watching Ronin Kenshin movie, the second one. There's the third one that I need to watch, but it is 7:04. I'm going to sleep. I can come back in like a couple hours. Yeah. It is freaking after 8 and I haven't been able to go to sleep yet. I am going to suffer later today. Oh my god. So I finally managed to go to sleep. It is 2:52 and I feel like crap. I look like shit. I need to go fix that. Alright. Yeah. There you go. Had a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. Say man, it makes I got 4-5. So something I just now realizing, don't know why you know realizing this, but my hair has been a mess for the last couple times I've been vlogging. So we're gonna fix that. Just not realizing, like, how off. Like, what the hell is supposed to do now? Around my day. My day revolves around this. I am a slave to you. No longer. God damn it. Alright, time to eat. I decided to take a walk because I just realized that I haven't recorded anything in a couple hours and I have to go and edit all this now. So yeah, let's go do something. Oh shit, they cleaned it up. God damn. Oh my god. All of this was just bush, like pure bush. Oh my god. I've never walked out here. This is my first time stepping out here. It's fucking amazing. This shit. Something right here. Ew. Oh, they must be inbreeding in this. Yeah. So, like, yeah, I basically live at the beach, but I don't go to this beach because it's freaking terrible. Like, look at this. Shit. I'm in a tree. I've been watching some other vlogs, well, mainly Tomska. That's the only vlogger I watch. He's not even a vlogger, he's just doing this because something called Last Week. He records everything that happens during his week and then puts it together. It's fun to watch. So I'm trying to take inspiration from that on how to actually, vlog. I want to take a walk on the beach, but I don't know if it goes left or right. Because both ways are a dead end. This is a bay. So, I'm gonna go this way. So long since it's actually come down here on this beach. I don't feel the need to anymore. I usually go to Browns Beach if I want to go into water, go to see. What the fuck is that? Ain't none of my business. Don't mind me. There's a young black man in a hoodie. It's like I'm actively trying to get shot. Because white people basically own up there. Yeah, I'm gonna just get this for back. Nice though. You should come down here more often.
Freaking hate snares. And we're back. Never again.
Alright, so I think that's where I'm gonna end this. I actually kinda did things today. Went to the beach. Didn't sleep. Then went to sleep. I still feel like shit, to be honest. Yeah, that's the end of that. That's the end of today. I'm gonna put all this together now. Bye, I guess. This camera's on the Canon accent. It's on roll on.
I'm a freaking professional.